Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs with Subham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for QA engineer job or a software engineer job as a entry level, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of Zoho and it's a hiring for QA engineer for multiple location. So like Chennai, Salem, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli and Madurai. So let's talking about this job description. So experience with manual and automation testing, knowledge of Java programming, data types, variable, operator and flow control statement methods build, and as well as a defined expectation handling, file handling, database operation and the OPS concept. Experience with MySQL or PGSQL, experience with Selenium and JMeter, should be able to perform testing by creating large data sets, conduct backend testing and validate information as the flow of the system, assist developer, support RIP and the product manager in the debugging issue, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here I am interested, and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Move on to the next job is coming from Bentley and it's a hiring for associate software quality analyst for Kolkata location. So let's talking about this job position summary. So Bentley is actively seeking for associate software quality analyst with the twins site group. In this role you'll play a crucial part of the ensuring the quality reliability of the software tower product. You'll be passionate about maintaining a high standard of contributing the cutting edge technology. And let's talking about these roles and responsibilities. So design and develop a test automation script, automation engineer and responsible for designing and the developing of the test script. Executing automation tests, they are execute automation script for the front end application including both and web and the desktop based application. Identifying opportunity for the automation, they identify opportunity for the automation with the software development lifecycle and implement them for necessary code and the and framework, and all these things we have to know. And those who have done a bachelor's degree of computer science or equivalent work training experience can apply. 0 to 2 year of experience required, and keen in the state of product understanding of domain knowledge of crafting ATPS and professional communication skill, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply now and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Move to the next job is coming from Cognizant and it's a hiring for software engineer for Bangalore location. So let's talking about this qualification. So those who have a graduate clearly understand roles and the competency proficiency expectation for self demonstrate application and delivered CT and the inclusion of professional interaction, and refer a new talented of hiring, and all this thing you have to know. And you can go and check about this all this information. And skills have AWS cloud, Azure service, Spring Boot, Node.js, Java, engineering and design, web3, Golang, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply now and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. So move to the next job is coming from ACL Digital and it's a hiring for graduate engineer trainee for Chennai location, and it's a entry level of job. So let's talking about this job. So looking for a BE computer BTech or IT professional only for 2024 pass out, and interested to start career in automation side, and excellent communication skills and clarity thoughts, and minimum 6 months of internship experience is mandatory, and excellent leadership quality required, and certification in programming language is added advantage. And the location will be Chennai, and the timing it will start for 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. And how to apply for how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here IG apply and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about 4 different job role, what is the job role and how to apply for the job. And if you are looking for this job role, so you can apply for the job, I'll put the job link in the job description, you can go and check about this. And if you have any question then ask me in the comment section, I will help you. So thanks for watching, till then goodbye and be